Hello, in front of me I've got From and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to enter chat. In order to enter chat and use it, press enter button. Now you can check all messages, common messages, world messages. You can find party, go to system messages, content messages, or custom messages. In order to use chat, you have to reach level 20. Then we can enter voice chat, enable or disable it, and go to chat settings where we can enable timestamp display, category display, and many more. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.